In Arizona, and in particular in the East Valley cities, Mesa and Glendale, Chandler, we're seeing a lot of cases that are called knock and talks. And a knock and talk is where a police officer comes up, knocks on the door, and asks if they can come in and look around. What you need to know is that if a police officer knocks on your door, and the way that they approach these people, it's not necessarily obvious that the people have the ability to say no. And depending on the mannerisms, the characteristics, the dress, the way that a police officer is comporting him or herself, it can really affect the way that you feel about whether or not you can give permission or whether or not they're just going to come in no matter what. And a knock and talk is a case where they don't have a warrant. They don't actually have permission to come into the house, but the way the dynamics are and the way that they're presenting themselves at the door, they're saying, hey, we'd like to come into your house, we want to look for X, Y, and Z, like to check things out, make sure, make everything's okay, make sure everything's okay, we're going to come in, is that okay? A lot of people say yes. A lot of people just grant that permission to the police. They go in and inevitably they may find some drugs, they might find guns, they might find some type of evidence which could later be used against the people. If someone's knocking at your door and they claim to be a police officer, what you can say is, sir, ma'am, if you don't have a warrant, I'd just like to speak with my attorney. I'd like to have a moment to talk with an attorney before you come in. Please don't take any offense to this, but I just think it might be better for me to speak with my attorney. And you can always give me a call. Even if you don't have an attorney, that's okay. You can just give me a call, 602-989-5000. We'll walk you through the process. If they do have a warrant, typically the first thing that they're going to present to you is the warrant. And they're not going to ask for permission. It's not going to seem like you've got any wiggle room whatsoever. If there's a warrant to search your home, they're going to knock on the door, they're going to present the warrant, and they're going to say, we have a warrant, we'd like to come in and we'd like to check things out. Many cases with these knock and talks, they knock on the door, they open the door, and they see something inside the house that gives them the ability to go back and get a warrant, even if they don't get inside the house. So if police are knocking on the door, you don't have to open up the door the whole way. You can open up partially. You don't have to let them see within the confines of your house. You don't have to give them the ability to go back and get a warrant against you. So if you have any questions about this, if you've been through this and you want some more information, feel free to give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. My name is Nick Alcock. I'm the owner of Alcock & Associates. Thanks so much.